So we no longer have it under control.
I don't think we're winning this one. Call the fire department.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't have any.